Alright guys, we're back and doing another video in my backyard. Let me show you what I have. A little bit healthier today, guys. So this is kind of like a healthy low-carb dish. So I got this recipe from one of my friends, Emma. It's like a low-carb recipe. It's like a turkey dish with bell peppers and actually mint and onion. So that's what that looks like right there. These little potatoes, they're like hash browns potatoes. These are actually from the Whole Foods on the hot bar. This actually cauliflower is the same way. And this is called coconut rice, guys. I've never had coconut rice before. So yeah, let me just give you a better close-up on the food. Oh, and guys, to drink, I got this thing. It's called the Living Apothecary Probiotic Keeper Water Tea. It's hibiscus apricot is the flavor of this drink. And I really like this drink a lot. It's really good. It's a really good flavor. Goes down really well. That's good. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to try these potatoes first because I had them already. These potatoes are so good. Oh my god. So good. I like a hash brown potato. It's really good. Try this turkey dish. That's good. That's really good. With the mint right here. The mint adds a lot of flavor. Well, my friend Emma said that it had mint on it, and I was like, that's interesting. You don't really hear a lot of dishes that have mint in it. Bell pepper. That's really good. I also don't know a lot of turkey dishes that are kind of like fried, like a one dish turkey dish. It has onion. I put green onion in here, bell pepper, a little bit of fish sauce, sprinkle of fish sauce, some other sauce. I don't know if it was oyster sauce or some other sauce. I'm sure I'll probably get some requests on how to make this dish. I do recommend it. It's light, and the sauces make it kind of like a sweet. Really good. It's not as heavy as beef. Yeah, the mint's really good in here. Alright, let's try this coconut rice. Pretty good. Yeah, I like it. Some cauliflower. That's good. That's spicy a little bit. A little spicy. This dish was so easy to make. So easy, I can't believe it. But it's really good. So last time I saw a really good movie I want to tell you guys about it. It's called A Quiet Place. This is what the cover looks like. What I usually do with movies, with new releases, instead of going to Redbox and pay like $1.50 and have it be back the next day, I just usually buy them. I used to buy them on Amazon, but I buy them used on eBay. I got this for, it was either $7 or $10. It was very cheap. for a new release, and then when I'm done with it, I'll just try to sell them on a used bookstore in my area. But anyways, this is a very good movie. It's very intense. There's not much talking in here. So basically the premise of this movie is there's aliens in the movie, and if you make a sound, any sound at all, even talking, it will kill you. So it was very intense. I would recommend it. If I would give it a rating, I would definitely give this 5 out of 5. It's a very intense movie. Some scenes I just could not watch. But the opening was really good. One of the best openings I've seen in a movie. So I would recommend this one. You can get it probably on eBay if you want to just, because the problem with Redbox for me is I can watch a movie, but if let's say I'm too tired, I don't have the time, or I just want to just get the movie, when I'm ready, I'll watch it. That's what I'll do. So, but you can probably get this on eBay for under $10, or you can just, I don't know how you guys rent movies, Redbox or whatever. And there's another movie I would like to see in the theater. I haven't seen it yet. It's called 8th Grade. One of my nephews told me I would love this movie. And when I saw the premise of the movie, I watched the trailer, and basically 8th Grade is about this girl who's in 8th grade is a YouTuber, which I've always wanted to see a movie about a YouTuber, because come on, this is our new generation. A lot of YouTubers are doing, YouTube right now. And she's also shy, and she's a YouTuber, and that movie reminds me so much of me. So I might see that movie this week or next week. Maybe next week. I'm really busy this week, but I would like to see that movie. I haven't seen a lot of movies. I haven't seen a movie in a theater in so long. I don't even know what the last movie I saw. I really don't. So honestly, I've been eating a lot of fast food lately. It's been really hot at my house. I don't feel like cooking, so today I made a low carb meal. I probably have enough for a couple more nights. And I went to the hot food section at Whole Foods, and I got something that I haven't seen before. It's like these black beans with like red sauce, salsa, or mixed. It looked really good, so I got that. I got that for lunch one day. And also at the hot bar, they had this chicken dish with like tomato sauce. It looked really good, so I got that as well. So trying to eat a little healthier. It can be a struggle. Especially when like Burger King's like right next to where I work at. But yeah, I think I recommend this dish. I have a feeling that you guys are going to ask me the recipe for this dish. I'll leave the recipe for the coconut rice and the turkey dish in the description down below, if you want to try it out. You can. It's very easy. I should mix the rice and the beef together like that. Pretty good. So I just returned from Vegas 2 weeks ago. It's my last vacation. I'm hoping to, as you guys know, get a job, another job. full. Also guys, if you want to see some vlogs of mine, check out my Carb channel. I'll leave the link in the description down below. I did 3 vlogs on my Las Vegas trip. Well, actually I did 1 room tour. If you want to know where I stayed at, I give you a room tour. I also did 2 vlogs, my day 1 and day 2 in Las Vegas. So I got quite a few subscribers from Jaime Eats' channel. So if you guys like Jaime Eats, he's in my vlogs as well in Las Vegas, so please check them out. I'll probably leave the links to my Las Vegas and my room tour in the description down below. So make sure you guys check out those vlogs and let me know what you think. I think next time I'm gonna go to Vegas, I'm gonna see a magic show. I've never seen a magic show in Vegas. If you guys recommend a magic show in Vegas, let me know. Like a really cool magic show. I heard that Paranormal was really good, so I might check that out. I'm not sure. I also want to see Rod Stewart in Vegas, but he only performs in November and December. That might be a better time to go to Vegas and not so hot. Because in the summer, I could have walked to the Wynn Hotel because my hotel was close, but it was so freaking hot. I had to take a lift. It was just, so it's not as comfortable in Vegas in the summer like in the springtime. But I bet November will be great. Yeah, I was thinking about next time I want to go and see it. Oh, and then I also want to see a Michael Jackson impersonator. Apparently, you guys, there's a Michael Jackson impersonator in Vegas, and a lot of people, if you guys know me, I'm a major Michael Jackson fan. There's quite a few stuff I want to see or do in Vegas next time. But I would love to do that. That'd be great. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.